Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this hairstyle using crochet braids. I basically went from this to this and I have no leave out and I'm so happy with how this turned out. So in case you want to learn how to do it yourself, please keep watching. I'm Matilda and today we're going to be doing my hair. I have 4C hair. This is what it looks like straight out of the shower. And this is what she looks like once I've combed her out. I combed out the hair just to be able to cornrow this. I'm not the best at cornrowing, so I need to make this as easy as possible for myself. Here we are, 1.5 hours later. It's not much, but it's honest work, Lisa. The back of this, girl. What happens in the back of my head is none of my business, and it's none of yours, Lisa. Okay? We got the cornrows done to the best of my ability. So now we're going to move on to the more exciting bit, which is the crocheting. The hair I'll be using today is a springy afro twist 24 inches in the color 1B. I've never used this hair for crochet, but I've seen a lot of girlies on here do their hairstyles and it looks so cute. So let's attempt to kind of make sense of everything, okay? Let's figure out what life is about. So let's get to crocheting this. It feels so soft. It feels very soft. For synthetic hair especially, she doesn't feel too bad. So I'm just getting it out of the package. Okay, so this is the hair. It comes like pre-separated, which is nice. Like you see these ends. That's where I'm getting my idea. I think this is too thick to crochet by itself. So I'm going to divide each pre-parted section by half because yeah, it's just that. And you just grasp it and stick to it, and then I get 2 pieces, and this is what I'm going to crochet. Look at that. Fabulous already. I'm going to put the crochet hook through my braid. I'm going to start here. Ah! Ouch! If it's closed, it's better because it won't pull out your hair. So I'm just going to push this into my cornrow until it comes out. There we go. Then I will take my braid, make sure it's in half, and then just loop it on the hook, like so. Close my latch, and then pull it. Then, if this will let me go, that would be great. And then I'm just going to find the loop. Where is the loop? Girl. Okay, found it. Okay. So once I have the loop like this, I'm just going to pull the braid through and that's it, and tighten it, and there you go. That's how simple this is. Look at that. Look at that, girl. Okay, so now it's time to repeat that a lot more times. It's been like 20 minutes and I'm already like halfway done, but I'm trying to space out everything. I'm making sure that I'm not covering every single inch of my cornrow because I don't need to do that. As you can see, this hair is already super full. So trying to space it out. So like you see on this braid, I don't really have much hair and I'm just going to go all the way up here and just crochet in there because I don't need to have this so tightly packed. So just go with your gut. And if you feel like you need to take away some braids, that is fine as well. Just do whatever makes you happy. I'm yet to finish 1 pack of hair, by the way. This is still pack number 1. As you can see, the hair is so fluffy that it just covers everything. It's absolutely fantastic. Still have my little gappy back, but that's okay. This is only half of my head covered. Okay, this is crazy. This is crazy. Actually, I kind of feel like this could be a hairstyle. I want to do invisible parts. Like I want to kind of fake my hair, but it's not my hair. You all know this is not my hair. So I want to kind of do that here, here, and the front of my braids of my cornrows. I'm now on the last batch of braids. That is so nice and full. Like you guys. Hello. Okay, I'm getting way too excited. The invisible part, pay attention. However you want your hair to fall, go in that direction. It's easier for me to go like this because I'm right-handed. If you're left-handed, it might be easier to go like this. But now we're going to use both. It's not a matter of preference. Oh, this is stuck. It's a matter of faking a natural look. So I am going to slide it in. That's what he said. I'm so childish. I'm sorry. So I'm going to slide the hook. If it would let me without, oh my gosh, it keeps grasping onto stuff. And I'm going to use the same amount of hair. So I'm going to take my braid, divide it in half. And then the process is the same. I'm going to hook that through my hook, close my hook, pull that through. And now, instead of pulling through the entire braid, I'm going to separate this so that I get the two loops, the two strands separate. And then I'm going to take my loop right here, and I'm going to pull this braid through, just one braid. I promise you it's easy. And then you just tighten. So what happens is, since your knot is on the bottom, this strand will just cover that, and it kind of looks like your hair. Kinda. So let's keep doing that for the rest of the head now. I want to be able to wear the hair like in a middle part and a side part. So I kind of did the invisible method here. As you can see, you can barely see my cornrow. And if you can see it, you're too close. You're too close, Jessica. Back up. So I am going to finish this off. It's so full, but I love it. I love how full the hair looks. My arms are killing me, girl. They're killing me. Oh my goodness. I'm using a really thin piece. It's like a quarter of a half, and that's what I'm going to sneak in at the front. That way, oops, my crochet hook fell. I'm going to sneak this in at the front. That way we can create a natural look. You'll see once I'm done with this. You'll see how she'll come out. You'll see the vision. You're already seeing the vision, aren't you? So I'm just going to pull that through. This one's really tiny, but that's okay. I pulled through. Just make sure to find your strand. The thinner sections are harder to separate, so don't be too hard on yourself if it's taking you a little bit of time to get the hang of it, and that's it. So, in case you want to see what I'm trying to achieve, like look at this. I have not done anything other than the invisible method, and look at how natural that looks. Like, girl, Exactly. Exactly. So now I'm just going to try, this is the last section is this, and I'm going to do it going like this and going like this, okay? Then this falls like that. So the direction you want to hide is you go in the opposite direction with your crochet hook. I've been here crocheting for about an hour and a half, and the cornrows took me an hour and a half because I'm slow. So in total, this hairstyle has taken me 3 hours. That's not too bad. And on this side, since I want the part to kind of go like this, I am going to go in the opposite direction, and I'm going to put the hook through this other side. Then pull through one strand. That's it. Alrighty, so that's us done. Let me zoom you guys out. This is what the hair looks like, and it is very full. This is 1¼ packs of hair. It's crazy. It's super full, but I like how full it is. If you want less full hair, just use less hair. But I like it. I like how full she is, but I think she's kind of going crazy. So I'm just going to... Sorry, that was my chair. It wasn't me. I am going to cut this a little bit because I feel like it's kind of crazy. Do I know what I'm doing? Of course I do. I have never cut hair in my life. Ever. As you can see, when I hold my hair like this, you can see the start of my cornrows, right? It's not that cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a rat tail comb, and I'm just going to tease the front of the hair. So let me show you guys. I'm just going to tease the front and cover the lines, if that makes sense. I've gotten a boar brush just to make it easier, so I'm not here all night. So I'm teasing the hair a lot. And I'll take my rat tail and kind of comb it flat. So I want you guys to see the difference. Look, this is the teased side. It's giving hello. Is this your hair, girl? It's none of your business. Whereas this side, you're like, girl, I can see that this is not your hair. Okay, so you can see why we're teasing. You don't want this vibe. You want this vibe. I love this hack so much, and we don't have any of our actual hair out. Mwah! Love it. So let's tease this side as well. You can even like grab the hair and just brush it. I also have some of my baby hairs coming out, which is great because it just helps make it all more natural. Once you're done teasing your edges, this is what the hair looks like, and now it's time to have some fun with it. Ooh. This is the final hairstyle. It might be my favorite. I really like this. This hair, oh my gosh, this hairstyle, it's giving bomb. Let me know what you think. I really like this hair. this might be my go-to hairstyle for a while. Once I find something, I do it until I'm sick of it. And I think that's going to be this hairstyle. So prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me. I really like how this turned out. The hair itself tangles a little bit more than I would like, but it's definitely manageable. I was able to do a few hairstyles today and get through it, and it still looks good. So overall, for the price point, I think this is a hairstyle worth trying, just to switch up the look and look cute. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I am here to help you do this, and it's so easy. If I can do it, you can do it too. Trust me. All right, see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.